2014 Nissan JUKE. The JUKE is an adaptable and intelligent ride where handling meets turbocharged performance. This unique, sporty compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control, power door locks, bucket seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.